Alright, so I made it outside, and we're gonna try to find some of these bats. Let's see if we can do it. Alright, since we're over here, I figured I'd show you guys how beautiful the water is in this harbor. So check it out. Looks like the tide's in a little bit today. Dang, what a slide. I'm gonna have to try that out for sure. Nice little playground. Big old gun. Back on the waterfront. Remember one of my previous videos I didn't show you guys the buoy? Well, here's the buoy. Check it out. The blob. Some humongous slides. I might go on that tomorrow. We shall find out. Okay, so here's my second attempt. They're trying to find some freaking bats. It's a bit cooler. It is like almost 6 o'clock. It should be getting dark here soon, so hopefully they'll be out. We'll see. Stay tuned. So I'm here at the beach, just chilling out. Enjoying the water. Just take a look for yourself. And I'm still starting to show the bats. Reason I can't find them. So there's some kind of stork right here. Still trying to find the bats. Okay, so I just located a bat. He's in this coconut tree. Let's see if I can see him. Took me long enough to get one. It's the end of the day. Hopefully not that much light. See, he's hanging right there on the edge of that limb right there. It's a big old bat right there. Right there. Looks like he might be roosting for the night. That's what they call fox bats. They eat fruit. It's moving. Where's it moving to? I have to say, those are freaking humongous bats. Have a nice one.